Hi guys, welcome to Audio Media channel. This is Selvakumar. Today we are going to be looking at a basic theory lesson. Music theory is very important for every musician. I'm going to be using a keyboard to demonstrate this because keyboard is a basic for all this. The piano keyboard makes things very easy to understand. So on the piano keyboard, you see white keys and black keys. If you look at this key here in the keyboard, this is called as a middle C. So the note, which is called middle C, is a natural note. So from here, you have tones and semitones. All the black keys are the semitones. So C is a tone, C sharp is a semitone. The C sharp is sometimes called as a D flat also. And then you go to D. The interval between C and D is called a whole tone, and the interval between C and C sharp is called a semitone. So in one octave, there are 12 notes. You have C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and C. These are the notes in a scale. All these 12 notes, we are going to play sequentially. It's called as a chromatic scale. So you play like this. So you're playing from C to the next C, and you're playing all the semitones in between. The basic scale in Western music is a major scale. The intervals for a major scale will be tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. What that means is, say C is the root note. The first interval is a tone, which is D. The second interval is also a tone, so that is E. Then you have a semitone interval, which is F. So after F, there are three more tones. F to G is a tone. G to A is a tone. A to B is a tone. And then the top C is a semitone. So this is the constitution of a major scale, which is all the white notes in the keyboard. So we first saw the chromatic scale, which is all the 12 notes in the keyboard, as opposed to the major scale, which is just 7 notes starting from C, which is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C again. And this continues on and on. So there are 5 Cs in a 5-octave keyboard. The piano has 8 octaves, so you have that many Cs there. So this is the basics of all music. So if you even look at the guitar, the open 6th string is a open E, which is the bass E note, and then every fret will go one semitone higher. The first fret in the E string is F, followed by F sharp, G, G sharp. Everything goes in an order, but it's much more evident on a keyboard. The keyboard has a distinctive black keys and white keys. So hope you found this video informative. To view more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. This is Selvakumar signing out for Audio Media channel. Thank you.